Hey Taylor, so once you're in our book and you click on the book organized SurePath, then it'll open up this, and yours is going to look a little bit different because you have the student view. So what you're looking for, it'll only show you the things that are visible to you. So you'll notice after chapter 1, you've got the e-text available, and then I've made this lesson available that we went through today, the nursing process and pharmacology. And then we went through chapter 2, and back a little bit far. So your textbook's available for you in chapter 2. Let me scroll down again. And then I opened up those 2 lessons we did. We did pharmacological principles, kinetics, and pharmacodynamics. So that's what you have available from chapter 2. So on Wednesday, let's see what we're covering. Let's look at our course map. So we're finishing on Wednesday, part 1 in our text. So go back to your course map and look at that. And then when you go in our SurePath, follow this date at the top. See where it says week 1 is August the 15th to the 21st, and I'll have everything that's part 1 in here. So if I didn't cover it today, that means that's what we'll cover on Wednesday. Granted, we probably won't cover chapter 8 at all because that's rarely on Hessian NCLEX, and then this is more of just a picture book, so we'll cover the rest of it on Wednesday. So you'll be prepared for class if you read the textbook chapters that go with each of the chapters. Then after we cover it, then I will open up the lessons that go with that chapter. Thank you, ma'am. See you tomorrow. Bye.